Hello children, today I am going to continue exercise 7.3. In this video, I will explain question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 7.3. Let's understand question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. First part, 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. In this question, we have given two fractions and we have to check these two fractions are equivalent or not. For this, firstly we will write as 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. Now, we will do cross multiplication. Children, let's remember that these two fractions are not equivalent. So, we will not use here equals to sign. We will use here comma. Now, we will do cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, we will get 5 multiply 54 and 9 multiply 30. We will write it separately. Now we will do the multiplication, and after multiplication we will get 270 and 9 into 30 is equals to 270. These two products are equal, therefore they are equivalent. Let's continue second part. 3 upon 10, 12 upon 50. Firstly, we will write as it is. Now we will do cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, we will write it separately and we will get 3 into 50 is 150 and 10 into 12 is 120. These two products are not equal. Therefore, they are not equivalent. C part, 7 upon 13, 5 upon 11. It is quite similar to previous these two parts. So I am giving you as a homework, try to solve. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. First part, 48 upon 60. In this question, we have to reduce this fraction into simplest form. For finding the simplest form, we will divide this fraction by highest common factor until we get co-prime number in numerator and denominator. So, firstly we will write 48 divided by 60. Both numbers are even, so we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 0. Again we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now both are having highest common factor 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15 and we will get 4 upon 5. This is the simplest form of 48 upon 60. B part, 150 divided by 60. Firstly we will write 150 divided by 60. Both are having 0 at the end, so we will cut down and we will get 15 upon 6. But it is not in simplest form because it is having 3 as a highest common factor. So we will divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. Now 5 and 2 has no common factor except 1, so it is in simplest form. Therefore 150 divided by 60 is equals to 5 upon 2. C part, 84 divided by 98. Both are having highest common factor as 7, so we will divide it by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Both are even number, so it will divide by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. Now both are co-prime number. So 84 upon 98 in the simplest form is 6 upon 7. D part, 12 upon 52 and E part, 7 upon 28. It is similar to our previous these three parts, so I am giving you as a homework, try to solve. Let's understand question number 8. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Shilu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Sheelu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fractions did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. In this question, we have given 3 children and each one used different number of pencils and we have to find fractions of number of pencils each used up. Firstly, we will write total number of pencils. Ramesh had, that is equals to 20, and Ramesh used up how many pencils? He has used up 10. So fraction is equals to 10 upon 20 because he has total number of pencils 20. After simplification, we will get 1 upon 2. Second, total number of pencils Shilu had, that is equals to 50, and Shilu used up how many pencils she used up according to question, that is 25. Therefore, fraction is equals to 25 divided by 50. These numbers are divisible by 5, so we will divide it. 5 5s are 25, 5 10s are 50, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10, and after simplification we will get 1 upon 2. Third, total number of pencils Jamal had. He had 80 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. Therefore, fraction is equals to 40 divided by 80. 0 to 0 cancelled. Now we will get 4 upon 8, and after simplification we will get 1 upon 2. Now we have to check each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils or not. If we see each has used equal fractions, that means they have equal value. Therefore, we will write yes, each has used up an equal fraction. That is 1 divided by 2, and it is our answer. Let's understand question number 9. Match the equivalent fractions and write 2 more for each. In this question, we have to match these 2 columns and write 2 more equivalent fractions. First part, 250 divided by 400. It is not in simplest form. So firstly, we will convert it into simplest form. For this, we will find HCF, and the HCF of 250 and 400 is 50. Now we will divide 250 and 400 by this HCF, that is 50, and after simplification we will get 5 upon 8, that is equals to D part of second column. That means first is equals to D. Now we have to find 2 additional equivalent fraction. For this we have to multiply 5 upon 8 with the same whole number, that is 3 and 5, and we will get 15 upon 24 and 25 upon 40. Second part, 180 divided by 200. Firstly, we will convert it into simplest form. For this, we will find HCF, that is 20. Now we will divide 180 and 200 by this HCF, that is 20, and we will get 9 upon 10 as the simplest form of 180 divided by 200. That is equals to E part of second column. That means second is equals to E. Now we have to find two additional equivalent fraction. For this we have to multiply 9 upon 10 with some other whole number, that is 2 and 3. Now we will get 18 upon 20 and 27 upon 30 as the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 10 or 180 upon 200. In a similar manner, we will solve the remaining part of this question. Try to understand.